Students, we are learning rectification of error. In last part, we learned error of principle. In this part, we are going to learn two type of error. First type of error is error of casting. It is also called compensation error. Yes, look at the board. We are learning error of rectification of error of casting. It is also called error of compensation. What is casting? Casting means total. Casting means total. Error in total called error of casting. So if we commit mistake in total, that we called error of casting. Generally, this error of casting committed in total of the subsidiary book. So if we commit a mistake in the total of the subsidiary book called error of casting, this is an one-side error. Students, it will not affect debit and credit. It will affect either debit or credit. It will affect any one side. This error disclosed by the trial balance. If we commit this error, the trial balance will not be agreed. Then before rectification of error, we have to learn one tip. Normal balance, purchase, normal balance is debit. If it shows undercost means less. Undercost means less. So purchase book undercost, we should record on the same side. So purchase book undercost means less. So we should record on the debit side itself. If it shows overcost, we should write on the opposite side called credit aspect. Likewise, purchase return. Purchase return normal balance is credit. If it shows less, we should record on the same side, credit side. If it shows overcost, we should write on the opposite side. Sales. It shows normal balance credit. If it shows lesser balance, we should record on the credit side. If it shows more balance, we should record on the opposite side. Sales return normal balance is debit. If it shows undercost, we should record on the debit side, same side. If it shows overcost, we should record on the other side called credit side. Now let me see the problem. The following errors are located. The following errors are located. Located means identified. Before preparation of trial balance, rectify them. Here they located this error before preparation of trial balance. So before preparation of trial balance means no suspense account will come. Yes. First error, purchase book undercost. 1. Answer for this, purchase book less. I said purchase normal balance debit. So debit side less. If any side is less, we should record on the same aspect. So the rectification is purchase account debited. Purchase account debited with rupees 1000. This is the answer. We should narrate the errors. Second one, purchase book overcost. Purchase book overcost. Purchase book normally shows debit balance. It shows overcost. Overcost means what? Opposite. So it will go to the credit side. Purchase account credited with rupees 2000. Undercost means record on the same side. Overcost means record on the opposite side. Third one, sales book undercost. Undercost means what? Less. So sales normal balance is credit, undercost. So we have to record on the same side. So the rectification entry is sales account credited. Sales account credited with rupees 800. Fourth one, sales book more. Sales normal balance is credit, which shows more. More means what? Overcost. So we should record on the opposite side. So sales account normal balance is credit. Since it shows excess balance, we should record on the debit side. So debited with rupees 3000. Then fifth entry, sales return book less. Sales return book is less. Sales return normal balance is debit. If it shows lesser balance, you should record on the same side. So sales return account debited with rupees 4000. Then last, purchase return book overcost. Overcost means over. purchase return, normal balance is credit. It shows over cost. So normal balance is credit. If it shows over cost, it will go to the debit side. So the rectification entry is purchase return account. Normal balance is credit, over it will go to the debit side. Debited with rupees 2500. Students, in this case we located errors before preparation of trial balance, so we need not to record suspense account. Then the same error I am going to rectify after preparing trial balance. Now I am going to rectify the same error, but the time of rectification is after preparation of trial balance. So before rectification, please go through the second tip number 2. Tip number 2, since it is an one-side error, the error of casting is a one-side error. It will affect either debit side or credit side. Okay. If errors located before preparation of trial balance, don't use suspense account. If errors are rectified before preparation of trial balance, please don't use the word suspense account. Then case number 2, if errors are located after preparation of trial balance, use suspense account. Students, listen carefully. Before preparation of trial balance, don't use suspense account. After preparation of trial balance, use suspense account. Why? Because after preparation of trial balance, the suspense account was found. Yes, now let me see the problem. The following errors are located after preparation of trial balance. Here they used the word what? After preparation. So we have to use the word suspense account. Okay. Purchase book under cost. Purchase normal balance is debit. Under cost, we have to post it on the same side. So the rectification entry is purchase account debited 1000. Opposite side, we have to write suspense account. Here we can use word suspense account. We can record the rectification entry as journal entry. Okay. Question number 1 solved. Purchase book under cost. Under cost means less. Less means we can post it on the same side. So purchase account debit. Opposite side we can use what? Suspense account. Then question number 2. Purchase book over cost. Purchase normal balance is debit. Over means more. So it will go to the credit side. So now entry is suspense account debtor to purchase account. The value 2000 rupees. Then 3. Sales book under cost. Sales normal balance is credit. Under cost we can write in the credit side itself. So entry is suspense account debtor to sales. Suspense account debtor to sales. How much? 800. So short means record in the same side. Over cost means write in the opposite side. Fourth one. Sales book more. Sales normal balance is credit. More it will go to the debit. So the entry is sales account debtor to suspense account. Value 3000. Value 3000. Then fifth one. Sales return book less. Sales return normal balance is debit less. So we can write it in the same side, debit side. So sales return account debtor to suspense account. Value 4000. Value 4000. Being error rectified narration. Sixth one. Purchase return book over. Purchase return book normal balance is credit. Over means it will come to debit side. So the rectification entry is purchase return account debtor to suspense account. 2500. Students, very important is, if error of casting located before preparation of trial balance, don't use the word suspense account. If these errors are located after preparation of trial balance, we have to use the word suspense account. Now let me see the one more error called error of carry forward. Students, now we learn error of carry forward. It is like error of casting. This error also committed in the subsidiary book, but here when they carry forward the subsidiary book total from one page to another page, this error is to be committed. Yes, now we are going to learn about error of carry forward. Look at the board. error of carry forward. This error committed when the total of subsidiary book carry forward to next page. For example, 10,000 total carry forward to next page as 1,000. Sometime 500 rupees total carry forward to next page as 5,000. Next, this error committed in subsidiary book, as we know, this is an one-side error. Students, this is an one-side error. This will affect either debit side or credit side. This error disclosed by the trial balance. Since it is an one-side error, it will be disclosed by the trial balance. If you commit this mistake, it will be reflected in trial balance in form of suspense account. Now I am going to rectify these errors. The following errors are located before preparation of trial balance. Rectify them. The total of purchase book carry forward to next page 3,000 rupees more. Purchase book carry forward to next page 3,000 rupees more. More means what? Excess. Normal balance purchase account debit. If it show excess, it will go to the credit side. So answer for first is purchase account shows what? Carry forward more. More means what? Excess. So normal balance is debit. Excess means it will go to the credit. So purchase account credited with rupees 3,000. That is an answer. Next 2. The total of sales book carry forward to next page 2,000 short. Sales book normal balance credited. Short means less. So if it's short, we can write in the same side. So the rectification is sales account credited with the rupees 2,000. That's it. Then third one, purchase book total 5,000 carry forward to next page as 500. So 5,000 rupees they recorded in the next page as 500. So purchase account normal balance is debit. It shows under cost. Normal balance is debit. It is an under cost. So purchase account debited. Purchase account debited. Already they recorded 500. Now we have to record the balance 4,500. Then fourth one, the total of sales return book rupees 1,000 carry forward to next page as 10,000. Sales return normal balance is debited. Actual total is 1,000. They carry forward 10,000. So it is called overcost. They transferred more. Normal balance is debit. It shows over. It will go to the credit side. So the rectification is sales return account credited with rupees. The difference how much? 9,000. Students, here we rectified this error before preparation of trial balance. Now I am going to rectify the same error after preparation of trial balance. After preparation of, if these errors are rectified after preparing trial balance, so we have to use what? Suspense account. 1. This is debit. This is credit. Yes. Purchase account credited. So the entry is, rectification entry is suspense account debtor to purchase. Value how much? 3,000. So here purchase account credited before preparation of trial balance. The same error can be rectified after preparation of trial balance by using the suspense account. So purchase account credited, in debit side suspense account will come. Then in second case, sales credited. So in debit side suspense account will come. Suspense account debtor to sales. The value 2,000. Then in third, purchase debited. So purchase debited. Purchase account debited. So opposite side we can use suspense account. Value 4,500. Next fourth one, sales return credited. So debit side suspense account will come. Suspense account debtor to sales return account, value 9,000. Students, before preparation of trial balance, we should rectify by narration. After preparing trial balance, we should rectify with the suspense account. Students, why here suspense account to be recorded? Because this error, if we commit this error, definitely it will be reflected in the trial balance in form of suspense account. So we have to use suspense account when errors are located after preparing trial balance. We completed error of casting and error of carry forward. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.